Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a small but incredibly essential accessory that can make a huge difference in any audio setup. The 10 PCS microphone clip, specifically designed as a 20 mic cable clip and microphone pole clamp. This product is marketed as a flexible cable clamp for any stand that utilizes a 0.79-inch tube, measuring a compact 3.3 by 2.4 centimeters. When one first encounters these clips, their simplicity might be deceiving. However, their utility quickly becomes apparent. The package includes 10 individual clips, which is a generous quantity, ensuring that users have enough to manage multiple microphone setups or to have spares on hand. This bulk offering is particularly beneficial for those who run a home studio, manage live sound, or even just have a couple of mic stands for podcasting or streaming. The primary function of these clips is cable management, and they excel at it. Anyone who has dealt with tangled microphone cables knows the frustration. Not only do messy cables look unprofessional, but they also pose a tripping hazard and can lead to premature wear and tear on expensive cables. These clips effectively secure microphone cables neatly along the stand pole, keeping them out of the way and presenting a much cleaner, more organized appearance. This is especially crucial for video content creators, where aesthetics play a significant role. The design emphasizes flexibility, which is a key feature. This flexibility allows for easy attachment and removal from the microphone stand. Users can quickly snap them onto the pole and route their cables without much fuss. The material feels durable enough to withstand regular use, suggesting they won't crack or break easily, even with repeated adjustments. The specified compatibility with 20 more 0.79-inch tubes is precise, meaning they will fit most standard microphone stands, ensuring a snug and secure grip without slipping. Beyond just cable management, these clips also serve as a general mic holder or accessory clamp. While their main purpose is cables, their robust grip could potentially be adapted for other lightweight accessories, though one should always test for stability. The compact size, 3.3 by 2.4 centimeters, means they are unobtrusive and don't add significant bulk to the stand, maintaining a sleek profile. In practical application, these clips transform a chaotic cable situation into an orderly one. Imagine a stage or a studio where every microphone cable is neatly routed down its stand, invisible to the audience or camera. This level of organization not only looks professional, but also contributes to a safer and more efficient working environment. For musicians, podcasters, streamers, or anyone using a microphone stand, these 10 PCS microphone clips are an invaluable addition to their gear. They are a testament to how a small, inexpensive accessory can significantly enhance the overall user experience and professionalism of an audio setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.